Abhijit Dipke, the self-appointed president of the Cockroach Janata Party, woke up one day and said, "The government is so scared of cockroaches, they took down our website. They are absolutely terrifying because unlike Instagram, they actually know how the internet works." So here is the big dramatic story Dipke wanted you to believe. 6 lakhs signed a petition. Government panicked, took it all down. Poor little cockroaches silenced by dictatorship. Very emotional, very cinematic. One small problem, it is completely made up. The moment he posted this, ex users did what Instagram followers never do. They actually checked. Someone ran a global DNS check on cockroachjantaparty.org. Results came in from USA, Australia, Singapore, South Korea, China, Turkey, India, Pakistan, Ireland. Every single country failed. Now, here is your basic internet lesson for today. When the Indian government blocks a website, it blocks it for Indian ISPs only. Someone sitting in the USA or Australia can still open it, always. But this site was dead everywhere on the planet. USA dead, Australia dead, Singapore dead, Pakistan dead. Even China, which blocks half the internet, showed the same failure. That does not happen when a government blocks you. That happens when you remove your own DNS. Let us now talk about whether the Indian government can even do what he claimed. His domain, cockroachjantaparty.org, is a .org domain. The .org registry is managed by an American organization under ICANN, which is based in the United States. The Indian government has absolutely zero legal authority to delete DNS record of a US registered domain. Zero. None. To even attempt it, India would need to file an MLAT request with the US, get a US court order, and wait months to year for it to process. The absolute best part. We opened cockroachjantaparty.org right now, live, and it automatically redirected to a brand new website, cockroachjantaparty.com. Fully designed, fully functional. Already live with the tagline live since yesterday. Live since yesterday. So the government suddenly and shockingly took down your site and you just happen to have a complete, polished, fully designed replacement website ready the very next day. This was not a crisis, this was a calendar event. Now, here is what actually happens step by step. Step 1, remove your own DNS quietly. Step 2, post a dramatic victim tweet blaming the government. Step 3, watch outrage spread on Instagram among people who do not know what DNS means. Step 4, launch new site that was already built. Step 5, profit from the sympathy, the followers, the donations. Beautiful plan. Worked perfectly on Instagram. Completely collapsed on X in under 2 hours. Abhijit said cockroaches never die. He is right, but neither does evidence. This is not Instagram. You cannot post an aesthetic reel and make the truth disappear. X users ran the DNS check, read the voice data, checked the global propagation, opened a news site, and connected every dot. The cockroach did not get exterminated by the government. The cockroach exterminated its own credibility.